What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how we make pizza dough. Stay tuned. Right, let's get straight into it. We're going to do the wet stuff first, get the yeast to rise properly. Thereafter we're going to do the dry stuff. Let's see what we have here, what you need for this recipe. So we've got 1 tablespoon of salt here, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We've got some yeast here, 15 grams, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 800 grams Doooo millstone flour, and 200 grams semolina. Over here we've got 650 ml lukewarm water. Doesn't have to be too warm, that's also not good, just lukewarm. Right, let's throw all these dry stuff together. Our tablespoon of salt, our yeast, our caster sugar, lastly but not least, our olive oil. Don't have to be too rough, you just want to mix it slightly like that. Once properly mixed, we're going to give it 10 minutes, just so the yeast can rise. We'll show you in a bit what that looks like. Guys, it's been 10 minutes. You can see how this has risen. Right, so what we're going to do next, go to our dry components, our Doooo flour, 200 grams of semolina. Firstly, we're just going to mix this like that, just make sure it's nicely mixed. Right, then we just make a little hole in the middle. I just add it all at once. There you go. It is a little bit messy, but hey, somebody's got to do it, eh? So at this stage, all you need to do is just keep on kneading it, and eventually it will become less tacky and to a consistency that's much better than where we are at the moment. I have some Doooo flour here, if you need to add, to help you. There you go, look at that. Right. The main thing here is keep on kneading it until you get the right texture. Add flour if you have to. Then we're going to rest it for about an hour. Break it down into balls, 220 grams each, about 7-8 ounces. Right guys, so you can see the texture there. Look there, it bounces back nicely. And we haven't even let it rest yet. So I like to make a nice little ball. What we're going to do, we're going to put it inside this container. I put a little bit of the Doooo flour at the bottom, put it in there. I'm using the same container as before, you can see that. There's no problem with that. I put a little bit on top. And I'm going to put a lukewarm blanket over it, put it aside. In an hour's time, have a look at it. Normally in an hour's time, your dough has risen double its size. You can see that's obviously the case here. Look there, look how nice, pliable that is. Just going to take a little bit of the flour, so it's not too sticky, because remember it can still be a little bit sticky. I like to break it down now into 8-ounce balls, which is about 220 grams for the guys locally. Right, if I say breakdown, this is what I mean. I just press it like that and I fold it over. Look at that, like that, and then I make a little ball. I'm going to put these guys in here, let them rest for another hour, and do this breakdown once more. Then your dough will be ready to be used as a pizza. Guys, if you like what you're doing here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so you know as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do this without you. Comment below, let us know what you think about the video and what you would like to see in future. Thanks guys, check you later. Cheers.